Dillons Bakers and Gerbs are committed to zero hunger, zero waste, in seeking innovative ways to address food waste that can no longer be sold or donated. Instead of going to the landfill, these foods fulfill a new purpose at Missouri Organics as nutrient-rich soil.
So what you're seeing here is our nature-wise compost. This is after it's come through the whole process of depackaging, mixing, composting for about 6 weeks. This is what that material looks like. What this material gets used for is mixing in with topsoils and be sold as a mix. We also sell it to be bagged. This material is what's going to go back into the ground and create food. So we have a lot of organic gardeners that will buy this product, put it back in the ground, rejuvenate their soil, grow produce, and then sell produce to restaurants and cafeterias. And then that whole process, that whole circle is completed by making this material. So you've got a waste stream that goes to a product, that goes back and gets used to create food, that creates a waste stream. That circle just keeps happening and happening, and this is what makes it happen.